Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use Selective Unlock. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind the steering wheel, and here you have to navigate by using the buttons on your steering wheel. So let's use this button with the right arrow to highlight settings. So let's highlight settings and press OK button to confirm it. OK button is under the scrolling wheel, you need to press it in the middle. Then let's scroll down here until you see the vehicle settings. So let me highlight vehicle settings, let's press it, and then let's scroll down to choose locking. Let's enter the locking section, and under locking you can enable the selective unlock. Let me do it by pressing OK. As you can see, now the on is active in the orange color. So what it does, this is a safety feature for when you are alone. If it's on, pressing the unlock button once only opens the driver's door. You have to press it again to unlock the others. If it's off, pressing unlock once opens all doors simultaneously. So it depends on your needs. Sometimes it's a good idea to have this enabled. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.